what I did is I connected these into cell phone, what's on the screen, onto heads-up display. Projects it so your eyes can focus on it very well. And they act like sunglasses at the same time. Try to give on the video a good view of what that's like. Creek traffic, white Lance Air on final for 6, Creek traffic. Alright, let's get ourselves down to 90 knots, prop full forward. Header tank is off. Oh yeah, bringing power back. And flaps coming down. Creek traffic, white Lancer on short final for 6, Creek traffic. And wind is lining up. Got a little crosswind squirreliness, but we're good. Going up power a little bit. That's good. There we go. Drift that baby in. Oh, that was a smooth land.